So why this vehicle is required? Why do you need to do this three secrets and this performance optimization course? Why this identity upgrade is required? So there are three reasons why one wants to do this: to get to the next stage of your career, of your life, of your understanding, and then achieve consistent victories. Victories means these small achievements that you have. We denote them as victories. So once you have some kind of victory, you actually feel great and you are inspired to do better. And of course, to impact society meaningfully and thereby achieve your goal. And ultimately, you dream of having a life with recognition, with abundance, and with complete happiness. So these are the practices which you need to undertake to make your present successful, joyful, and meaningful. So what I did next after this Bandhavgarh experiment, I took over as the head of HR department, wherein I designed 160 kind of incentives uh, to reach out to the grassroots level officials, workers who have contributed significantly. At that time, our company was having 40 kinds of projects with 4 levels of workers. So that was the next thing I did, and people were kind of shouting at me, saying that how can anybody keep track of these 160 kinds of incentives? So I told them, nothing doing. We can actually automate that kind of performance tracking. I was in charge of performance tracking in addition to this regular HR jobs like say recruitment, training, salary, provident fund, etc., etc. So I took my job seriously of this performance tracking, wherein this idea of performance management optimization has come up. Why optimization? Again, optimization because there are certain circumstances which doesn't allow you to perform at the max, which will burn you out. So you need to let's say re-energize yourself every time you do. You have to have family time, your recreation time, your time for your hobbies, all that. So you need to function properly at an optimum level to do the best. uh, so what do you find after listening to me? uh, did my experience inspire you? Do you want to continue? And do you want to be a manifestor achiever? And actually, I'm in a constant flow of this kind of experience. Every day, trust me, something or other happens because I have learned to recognize, and it is very easy in actually, trust me. So, if you want to practice this kind of mindset, be in my journey along with me and be in this community of consistent performers who are uplifting, elevating all the time. So, what is your next 90 days goal? Do you think there is a lot to learn? Do you want to be the same or you want to change for better? Do you want to have your perceptions change for better uh, team bonding and better environment at home and be a better friend and a better citizen with a lot of positive energy? The course is created for people who recognize a lot of potential in them and in others. For those people who think that there is a lot of potential left in them, but they have hit some kind of glass ceiling. They are not able to break beyond that. Actually, it takes a bit size behavior change, change in attitude, behavior, mannerisms to be a better you, and you are the change maker. So everything around you changes if you make any change in your own thought pattern. So again, it is the individual who changes the society. So be the change maker yourself, and recognize that unique trait in everybody, which actually is responsible for making a better person out of him. And talking about this three secrets, again, it is like say mirror muse, which is positive self-talk will grander you. You talk to yourself, uh, that you talk to yourself, that yourself which is a grander you, not you as you are on today. And then sneaky schedule, frequent tapping into your inner genius. There is something higher is hiding inside you, you don't know, but at your silent moment you access that inner self which is high on energy and full of solutions for all your problems. And golden gambit, the cheat sheet about the impossible you, which takes a little time to design. uh, So the practices that you can already take up without joining the course are talk positively to the mirror, tell 10 good things about yourself and about being you. And what are the 10 positive things you can tell yourself? It is about your life. What are the blessings that you have, about your job, about yourself, a changed perception of a friend, of a recent event, and something if it is hurting you, and the blessing behind it. And there is an exercise for you. Turn a negative story into a positive story. If something negative has happened, then turn it to a positive story. Try doing it. Then give yourself 5 tiny targets like watering the plant, holding hands to anybody you see, keep smiling for the entire day, read 5 pages, and write 5 good things about yourself. So those are achievable. Do small exercises, 60-second exercise in the morning. That is also a good practice which you can do. And uh, third thing is golden gambit. So set a goal for yourself for the next 90 days. So it is not actually beyond your dream. It can be in your dream with belief and action and correct mindset. List out the 10 things which has to be the bestest best in your life. So that will give some idea to you about your grander you, like say the dream life that you want to have. Change few habits, adopt new rituals, and choose simple again. Be simple, choose simple. Go beyond your imagination while designing your cheat sheet and be expansive. Don't restrict yourself to anything that this cannot happen because this is something which you are in. So, like say, don't think about that. Why this cannot happen? Think about what if happens. So that is the thing. Throw wild dreams at the universe and yourself. Think beyond your dreams. And then this course will be kind of supplemented with 12 weekly calls, which is I say each one will be 30 minutes to deal a specific problem that you will have while doing this course or in your career or a personal life or anything. We can discuss that and sort it out. We can change again your behavior pattern, your thinking pattern, your perception to do that. And we can discuss like say discuss uh, management gurus like Stephen Covey, Sid Khera, Robert Kiyosaki, Michael Beckwith, to to take the appropriate mission from those books and the appropriate statements which can guide you, keep us inspired. And the bonuses will be a few affirmation video clips, intriguing video clips which will question you. Then there will be cover letter samples for your resumes. Along with your resumes, there will be multiple resumes of each person at any particular time, depending upon his strength and his experiences. And the common resume mistake is there is a guideline to avoid those mistakes in a resume. Then unblocking your abundance, that is a question sheet, self-assessment sheet, which if you do properly, then also it answers a lot of your queries about the blocking blocks that you have inside you, which is blocking your abundance. So all this will be in bonuses, and the value of the course is 30,999. If you register within 7 days, it will be half, 15,999. If it comes in 3 days time, if you choose to do the registration, then it is only 49999, nearly 5,000. And if it is a group joining, then it will be rupees 2,999 per head. So take a decision. Delay is time lost. Your choice. So take action. See you.